Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. Here in this lecture we are going to take a look at the symbols panel. Let's grab it here and let's put it here. So now this is the symbols panel. Here you can see various symbols, right? You can click on a symbol, you can drag it here and you can place it in your artwork. This is the shopping cart, home. Now it's not that boring, yeah. You may think that it's just a drag and drop thing. You will be having many symbols and you can just bring it in your artwork and you can place it like this, and these are all kind of these boring shapes, but it's not. Let's come here. And here when you hover over it, it's saying symbol libraries menu. Let's click on it and let's see. Let's click on say celebration and see. Woohoo! See? How about these? Huh? Okay, let's close it. Let's check something else. Say flowers. See here. These are really cool, right? But now, what we will do with all of these? Are these simple drag and drop stuff? No, it's not. Let me keep it like this, and for now let's create a new document like this. Now here inside tools, see here, let's come here and see here, we have really many options regarding symbols. Symbol sprayer tool, symbol shifter tool, we will see all of these, but first one, let's select this one, symbol sprayer tool. And currently we let's select say this rose and see, just play around with it. Let's select another flower and click, drag, select, click and drag to make more flowers and see. Okay, let's click on this one, add few more. So this is the symbol sprayer tool by which you can add as many symbols as you wish. Now, so this is the symbol sprayer tool. Next we have symbol shifter tool. What is this? Let's select this one and let's shift it. See, we are shifting these white flowers. Let's try to shift these flowers. See, we can do that. You know why? Let's come here inside flowers. This white flower is selected now. Now what if we want to move this, we want to shift these flowers? We need to select it. Yes friend. So I think this is this one, right? So let's select and try to shift them and see. Now you can shift these flowers, right? Yup. Now let's try to shift these roses. For that you need to select these roses and you can move them. See? So it's not that boring even, right? Now see. Now just take a look. Yep, let's do it more. Okay, next we have symbol scruncher tool. Yeah, let's first cover this one to see that how it works. So this is the symbols cruncher tool. What it does is it brings the symbols much closer. Don't drag it outside, try to drag inside and see. Okay, so this is just a simple thing. Next we have symbol sizer tool. Let's try to play with it. See, currently this rose one is selected, right? So let's click and drag up. Oh my god. Let's undo it. Click and hold. See? Click and hold. Click and hold. Now what if you want to reduce its size? You need to press the Alt key while clicking. See? Let's make one flower really big, really big. Now we want to reduce its size. How we can do that? Make sure that your symbol sizer tool is selected. Now Alt and click. Alt, click to make its size smaller. Now let's resize this tool. Let's resize this flower. So for that, select that flower and see. Okay, so you are getting right. Next we have symbol spinner tool. Yes, this is even interesting. This helps to rotate, you know. You can even reduce the brush diameter by using the left bracket key, and you can even target small flower, only few flowers, to work more efficiently. Yeah, now let's click on this rose. Yup, okay. So yeah, you can just play around with these. Then symbol stainer tool. Yeah, this is interesting. Let's make some fill color like red. Okay, yep, this will not get applied here. Let's try to add few symbols with this one. So select the symbol sprayer tool and let's draw few search symbols. Yeah, okay. And now we want to color it. So using symbol stainer tool, we can provide some colors to it. And see, these are all red now. Let's change it to say this yellow, and see, now these are yellow colors. So that's really cool trick, right? Yeah, so for few symbols you can change the color. For few symbols, I was saying for few symbols. So much tongue twisting. For few symbols, okay. So for few symbols you can change the color. For few symbols you cannot change the color, and that you can do using the symbol stainer tool. Okay, then next we have symbol styler tool. Again, you need to select this tool first, and from your styles panel, let me take a look. Yeah, you need to have this graphic styles ready to work on it. Next, select the style which you want to apply, and next you need to just click on. Next you need to select the symbol on which you want to apply it. Let's say this flower, and try to apply. Well, the graphic style will not get applied to this flower. So for that, let's select this one, the search symbol, and try to change the style and see. You can even play around with other styles and see. So yeah, for those which you can't change the color, you can't even change the style also. But for those for which you can change the color, you can change those graphic styles also. So this is all about symbol sprayer tool, symbols shifter, symbols cruncher, symbols sizer, and as you know that there are many symbols there. See, maps, mobile. See here, you can get many icons. Oh my god. So, don't get overwhelmed by all of these. There are many more things to do. Just in your free time, take a look at all of these and you will get more acquainted with all of these. So, yeah, I think that it's not that boring, isn't it? Yup, I think earlier you were thinking that the symbols panel it's boring like dragging and dropping like this, but it's not that boring, isn't it? It's really very fun to work with it, but don't get overwhelmed. Now, yeah, another thing. Let me do one thing. Yeah, let me do one thing. Let's say we have a shape here, right? Let's check this draw inside mode. And here, from this library, let's check flowers. And let's select this flower. And using the symbols sprayer tool, let's try to draw few symbols here. And see, the symbols we are drawing are inside this circle, or sorry, inside this ellipse. How cool is this? Right? Now you can even change the size of these using the symbols sizer tool. You can even spin these like this to to make it not that boring. Okay, so that's it guys. Yeah, now when you are done, click on this draw normal mode and there you go. So how is this? Yeah, this clipping mask stuff is really very cool, isn't it? Okay guys, so here I'm concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.